respond to internal and external stimuli. This ability is called irritability or sensitivity. Through this means, plants and animals are able to detect and respond to changes in their environment. Some stimuli that organisms react to include light, water, gravity, temperature, chemicals, touch, and pH. Generally, animals respond very quickly to external stimuli while plants respond slowly. The response can either be positive, that is, towards the stimulus, or negative, away from the stimulus. Only certain organs in plants respond to stimuli, but in animals, often the whole organism can respond to a stimuli. Plant organs that respond to stimuli are flowers, leaves, roots, stem, and tendrils. There are three major types of responses. They include taxis or tactic movements, nastism or nastic movements, and tropism or tropic movements. Taxis or tactic response is a directional type of response or movement in which a whole organism moves from one place to another in response to an external stimuli such as light, temperature, water, or certain chemicals. These movements could be positive or negative. Examples of tactic movements include thermotaxis, phototaxis, hydrotaxis, and chemotaxis. Chemotaxis is the movement of organism in response to temperature or heat. An example is motile bacteria or snail moving away from hot region to cold region. And this is called negative thermotaxis. When organisms move towards the heat, it is called positive thermotaxis. Next, phototaxis. This is the movement in response to light stimulus. Phototaxis. Phototaxis is the movement in response to light stimulus, either moving towards the light or moving away from the light. You can see this in cockroaches. When you put on the light, cockroaches tend to run away from the light. Same with euglena moving away from the light. Next, hydrotaxis. This is the response of a whole organism to the stimulus of water or humidity. For example, a woodlouse moves towards areas of high humidity. Chemotaxis. This is the movement of an organism in response to a chemical stimulus. For example, amoeba, volvox, and chlamydomonas move away from chemicals. Next, we're going to talk about Nastism or Nastic movements. Nastism is a type of response in which a part of a plant moves in response to non-directional stimulus, such as changes in light intensity, temperature, or humidity. Examples of Nastic movements include closing of the morning glory flower when the light intensity is low, opening of petals of sunflowers during the day and closing during the night, and the folding of leaflets of the mimosa plant when it is touched.